I bet you don't know these facts about owls. Owls have hearing that is so precise that one can detect a mouse's heartbeat through a foot of snow in complete darkness. Their eyes aren't actually eyes at all. They're elongated tubes fixed in their skulls, giving them a neck that can rotate 270 degrees. A single owl eye would be as large as a human brain if scaled to our size. Nature's perfect predator doesn't just fly, it reads the air like a book. Special feather edges eliminate wind noise, while offset ears create three-dimensional sound maps precise enough to catch prey blindfolded. Each wing contains over 2,500 specialized feathers, forming the world's most advanced stealth technology. Their brain prioritizes sound so effectively they can ignore their own wing beats while hunting. Barn owls swallow their prey whole, skin, bones, and all, and they eat up to 1,000 mice each year.